Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, okay, and join the crew. All right guys, so in this video we are going to be installing these beautiful crochet braids, and this is like curly hair, and this is giving fall ready. Okay, it's literally screaming fall. I love the hair color. Anyway guys, without further ado, we're just gonna get right into the video. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel... Alright guys, so I'm starting out on hair that's freshly washed and blow dried. I went to my hairstylist and she did her thing, okay? So I'm starting out by using this Just For Me braiding and twisting grip glaze. This is my daughter's, but I couldn't find my shiny gem, so I was like, I'm gonna just go ahead and use this, okay? Anyway, as long as it gets the job done, that's all that matters, okay? Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and start by doing cornrows. You guys know this is crochet braid, and this is like the traditional crochet braid, so we just need braids going all the way down, okay? Nothing special. I'm not even trying to do like anything special, okay? Just simple basic pattern for my crochet installation, okay? All right, so with the glaze, I'm making sure that I put it around the hair where the eye is separated, okay? And then I'm gonna braid a cornrow. Okay, that's me done with one side, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the rest of the other side off camera. So we'll be right back. Anyway, so let's get into this hair. This hair is sponsored by Toyotress. Thank you, Toyotress, for sponsoring this video. I'll put all the information about the hair in the description box, okay? But I am loving this hair. Like, I'm here for the color, okay? The color is fall ready, like so beautiful, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and, like I said, all the information about this hair will be in the description box. But I'm taking one piece out, then I end up splitting the hair itself like so, okay? And then I take one part and install that, then I'll install the next part. Okay, you guys get what I'm saying? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and install, and this is like a traditional crochet braid. Like I said, as you guys can see, I'm not doing anything special, okay? All right, so the hair that I'll be using is Water Wave, 12 inches, and the color is T350, okay? But all the info for the hair will be in the description box below, like I already said. All right, enough of this rambling. You guys just gonna have to chill, sit back, relax, and watch me as I install this hair. And I just want to mention this hair is really easy to install, and it's so soft. It feels so good, okay? It's so soft. It's not itchy at all, okay? And I just, like I said, the color is what I fell in love with. I love the length. And if you guys know one thing about me, I love me some curly hair, okay? I love big curly hair. So this hair is just perfect for that. And I wanted this color in particular because it's fall, and it's just a perfect color for fall. So I love that about it, okay? And like I say, it's a big, okay? Go big or go home, period. All right. It's the color for me. It's the color for me. Okay. It's the color for me. It's the color for me. Okay. Hold it. I know I look crazy right now, okay? But oh, I'm looking like a lion, and you guys know I'm a lioness, period. But we're gonna go ahead and trim the hair and give it a shape, so I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Okay, after doing my makeup and all that, I'm back. So I'm just gonna go ahead and trim the hair and shape it and give it, a little shape or something. And you guys know I'm not the best with the scissors, but I tried my best. Okay, I'm getting better at it, and I try my best. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna go ahead and shape it, do the best that I can, like I said, and yeah. So after all the shaping and all that stuff, this is how the hair looks. And I'm here for it. You guys, can you see that? It's beautiful. The color and I just feel like it looks so good with my complexion. It's so beautiful. It's so easy to install. It took me like 2 hours, okay, to do the hair. And you can, it's like, I know crochet braids always look like it's limited, but there's so much you can do with it. You can do on the side part, which is my fave. You can do middle part, not a fave, but still gotta rock if that's your thing. And then you can also use like a headband, okay, like so, just to jazz it up. You know what I'm saying? Okay, look at that, so beautiful. Anyway guys, so this is it for this video. Okay, please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, comment below, okay, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. See you guys in my next video. Bye.